Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on aiXcoder. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aiXcoder.com and press enter. Now once you are taken into the aiXcoder website, click on the English button at the top right corner if your language is not set to English. Then you will find the login button. Click on login and proceed with logging into your account using your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you have logged into your account, you will see the Personal Center option at the top right corner. If you scroll over to this, you will find the Manage Account button. Click on Account Manage or Manage Account, and now there are various different options for your account, but you will not find the option to delete your account anywhere. So in order to delete your account, you will need to contact the support email for aiXcoder. If you look all the way at the bottom of the website, you'll find the email address. Go ahead and copy this email address, and now you can use your email account to compose a new message to send to the support team. Within the to section, just enter the email address that you just copied from the aiXcoder website. Then within the subject section, you can type in delete my account. And now within the main body, you can simply type in that you don't wish to use aiXcoder anymore and you want your account to be deleted. After typing in this information, you can simply click on the send button and this will send your email to the aiXcoder support team. Now, once your email has been sent, you will need to wait for the response from the support team. Within the response, you will find the step-by-step instructions or the information that you need to know on how you can delete your account. Just follow these instructions and you will be able to delete your account on aiXcoder. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on aiXcoder. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.